is what I picked up, guys. My 1989 Mazda MX6 2.2 litre turbo. So I'll just give you guys a quick walk around. Very underappreciated in my opinion. Will become a future classic. So this has got sunroof, four-wheel steer, so the rear wheels steer a tiny bit. You see the turbo. This is a first generation MX6, sorry, not to be confused with the second generation MX6. I'll give you a look in the interior. The reason I picked up this car is obviously because of the price, but just how, 2.2 litre turbo, old school Mazda. The interior is super clean. So it's a bit hard with the sun, but the interior is super clean. It's got like bucket style seats. The rear is really good. Let me sit in. So that's the cluster. Oh guys, I have to show you this. This is a true JDM thing, so I don't know if you can see that there. Yeah. Now if you look at these vents, let it focus. Look at that. Pure JDM goodness. But yeah, so yeah, as I said earlier, I saw it on Facebook Marketplace. I got it I thought I'll go have a look at it, see what sort of price we can negotiate. And he came to the party, we negotiated something good. So I whacked on a permit, as you can see, and drove it home. I wasn't really looking for another car, but being a old school Mazda Turbo MX6 and the price I got it for, I thought, you know what, I'll grab it. Might be some good content for the channel because I'll tidy a few things up. And then, you know what, I might just flip it or I might hold on to it. I'm in two minds at the moment because they are underappreciated. I feel like they will go up in value, and don't sleep on them. Everyone's sleeping on them at the moment, but the prices of the classic 80s and early 90s JDM turbo cars have gone through the roof. So everyone's sleeping on these type cars, which are a brilliant car, and they're known as to be ultra reliable. Again, the first generation MX6, not the second. This is it stands for all-wheel steer. That's pretty cool. Let me show you the engine bay. So this is where it all happens. It's the absolute weapon. 2.2 litre intercooled turbo, 4-cylinder. There's the intercooler. You can see it just down there. The only work it needs little stuff like this, like the PCV valve is cracked. It probably needs a good service because the car was sitting for a while. But it actually drives really good, which is one of the reasons I grabbed it. It has a little ticking noise which I can fix quite easily. All the engine mounts are solid. But yeah, that's the weapon. Factory sunroof. The only downside is the paint is very average and faded, but the panels are actually really straight. Really straight. But check out these factory wheels. If you're talking about JDM goodness, you've got to talk about factory JDM wheels. I'm not changing them at all. They're suited to a T. Please excuse the car's extremely dirty. It picks up really good. The brakes aren't the best, that's another byproduct of it. So you can see the absolute weapon of a car. Listen to it roar. It's got a muffler leak, but listen to it roar. The motor sounds healthy, I just got to fix up the leak. exhaust leak, fix up the tapping noise, which because it's sitting, I'm assuming that the oils bled out of the little hydraulic lash adjusters, so I might just end up putting a new set in for the sake of the car. I don't want to spend too much money, but I want to bring it up to scratch because I don't know what to do, whether I keep it and build it up or whether I just flip it because I've got it for a good price. So I might chuck it on eBay, who knows, but let me know in the comments what you guys think. Do you guys think I should keep it? I mean, surely this has got to be worth keeping it alone. Do you guys think I should keep it, or do you guys think I should just tidy it up, detail it, and maybe just sell it to someone else that might appreciate it and give it a bit more love and stuff? But either way, I'll be doing some content on it, so I'll be doing content on all the things I've got to fix up. I'm probably not going to paint this one. I'm just going to leave it as is till I decide what to do with it, but even then I'll probably paint it later, unless you guys have got some hookups with paint jobs, because they're not the cheapest thing to get done anymore, and if I do it myself it just won't look the greatest, so I'm in two minds with that. But yeah, in the comments, I hope you like the my new MX6. It's an 89 model, first generation, turbo, factory turbo, intercooled turbo. I hope all-wheel steer. How cool is that? This is another JDM quirk. So I hope you give you another quick look at the interior. I hope you like my new beast. Let me know in the comments if you guys think I should sell it or keep it. I've got some more videos coming out. I've got a couple of Volvo ones coming out. Obviously now I'm going to do a couple of videos on this, and then I'm just saving up some parts for the Falcon to get some more stuff done. So if you like what I'm doing and you appreciate it all, just hit the subscribe button, follow, like, share, do whatever you want. I enjoy doing this, as I've always said, and I appreciate all your support. So, but again, let me know what you think I should do with this absolute weapon of a JDM classic. Peace.